Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I would like to review the Coinscope application. So this is a special visual coin search application or coin identifier, and today we will talk about how to install it and how to use this application. So let's get started. As you understand, you can easily install this application from Play Store or App Store if you an iOS user. So just open up it and type in the search box Coinscope application. So let's do it, Coinscope. And on the first place you can find this application. So here you can easily install it. Just click on the install button to download it on your device. And by the way, on this page you can familiarize with all information about this application. For example, you can read the description, you can read more reviews and so on. Okay, by the way, the application is installed and we can start using it. Allow Coinscope to take pictures and record videos. I advise you to allow, because we will use the camera in this application. And as you can see, I can start using it. So on the camera page, you can find your camera, you can scan the necessary coins. To take a photo, just click on this button just below the camera. The second tab is my collection. Here you'll find all your scanned coins, so tagged and all. And of course the last one is market. Here you can search for the necessary coins or just see the list with all coins and their prices. So if you want to know more about a coin, just click on it, on the necessary coin, and here you'll find all the necessary information about it. And also you can get contact details here. By the way, at the top right you can find the three dots icon. If you click on it, here you can open it in browser, follow on their Facebook, open up your account and so on. And by the way, here you can sign up or just sign in. Okay, now let's get back to the camera tab, and you can just take a coin and try to scan it, try to take a picture. So searching, and yeah, here it is. On the second place you can find this coin, and now I can see more about it. Very interesting application. So it was a short video about this application. Hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.